Shadow work journaling, y'all, I ain't gonna lie, this thing can be heavy. I mean, like bricks heavy. It's okay to be like, I'm about to eat all the cookies in the world. I be looking at them questions, I be like, I don't feel like going there. Hey kittens, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys 6 tips on how to do shadow work journaling. So whether you're new to journaling or you're a pro at journaling, I really hope this video will be super helpful for you guys. So let's get started. The first tip when it comes to doing shadow work is to ensure that you are in the right headspace. If you ain't in the right headspace, I would not advise you to do shadow work. Abort mission. I say that because shadow work can be super heavy when it comes to your emotional health, and it can also bring up certain feelings, maybe sadness, maybe fear, even anger. And I'm not saying that y'all need to go ahead and be fearful of those things, but I just want to forewarn y'all that y'all might feel some things you might not want to feel on a given day. So just be sure the day that you want to do shadow work that you are open to feeling certain emotions and that you have a pretty good headspace. So the second step that you want to do when it comes to shadow work journaling is to get all of your supplies together, okay? I mean, everything that you want to do, everything that you want to use. So whether it's you getting out markers, maybe some stickers that you have, different types of sticky notes or a notepad. You can use your bullet journal like I'm using, or you can use a notebook, some printer paper, y'all, scrap paper. We've already been through this. Any supplies that you want to use when it comes to journaling for shadow work, you want to be sure that you have those ready and on standby. So the next step that you guys want to do is to just start researching shadow work journal prompts. So you guys can go through the different websites that they have. I'm actually referencing a website I used in a previous video on shadow work journal prompts. So feel free to look through the questions, see which ones you may feel comfortable with answering, because I know y'all, some days I be looking at them questions and I be like, I don't feel like going there. I'm not answering that, wrong, next. See what you feel like answering, see what you feel comfortable with completing. So you can make a list if you want, which rolls right into the 4th step, and that is to answer as many of the shadow work journal prompts that you have the time to, or that you just want to. So whether it's one question, you like, you know what? This mental health, I need to protect it at all costs. Or maybe you like, you know what? I'm kind of feeling answering 5 questions. Have at it, chica. Whatever number works for you, whatever you're feeling like doing that day, go ahead and dive a little deeper. So the 5th step that you guys can do when it comes to shadow work journaling is to process any feelings or emotions that you have after you've completed the shadow work journal prompts. So it's kind of like the RAIN method. So it's basically just recognizing, putting a name to the certain emotions or feelings that come up for you. So the fact that you can label them, you can then begin to acknowledge, okay, this is really happening in real time for me. So next you want to investigate it. So you're trying to figure out, okay, girl, why are you feeling sad about this? Hello self, what is the deal? So just be sure that you're doing that internal work just to see, okay, how is shadow work affecting me right now? And then once you finish that, you wanna let it go, okay? We ain't about to sit here and put it in our back pocket. We ain't about to blow up at people for no reason. We ain't about to hate ourselves. Nope, no ma'am, no ham, no sir, no word. We are showing ourselves compassion. And one of the ways that we can show ourselves compassion is by taking care of ourselves and letting the things go that do not serve a positive purpose in our life. So the 6th step, which is kind of along the same lines, is to practice self-care. So do something to reward yourself after doing shadow work journaling. Shadow work journaling, y'all, I ain't gonna lie, this thing can be heavy. I mean, like bricks heavy. It's okay to be like, I'm about to eat all the cookies in the world. So do things that make you feel good inside. So maybe you're a nature person and you wanna go for a walk. Maybe you wanna journal. You can call a friend. You could watch a comedy movie. Whatever you need to do for self-care, please be sure you do that for the 6th step. So let me know in the comments below, which step do you think you need to work on the most when it comes to doing shadow work journaling. Also, please be sure to check out my bullet journal playlist. Subscribe, please, if you have not already, to be a part of the Kitten family. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you all next week. Adios, kittens. Say what's up, kittens. Say what's up. Okay, you're not even looking at the camera. Look at the camera. Say what's up. Say what's up. Say what's up, what's up, what's up. I love you, man. I love you.